Say hello. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another weekly video. So I haven't done one on this one for a couple of weeks because I thought I'd give you guys a little more progress, because obviously knocking down walls, clearing stone is great, but it takes time and obviously it can be quite boring. So what I'm going to try and do is show you that, and then hopefully click my fingers so you can see how it used to be. And then clip him again, and then I can show you what it is. Well, you can always see what it is now, but I'll try and edit that in. Obviously, like I said, I'm new to this and learning. So anyway, let me talk you through. We are making progress. We've concreted the floor. We've metal railed the ceiling. If you want to know how to metal rail a ceiling, if you go back a couple of videos, I did one on how to do that, or ask any questions. We are walking through the kitchen into the lounge area. We've got the skylights in there. We've got the stud wall up for the bedroom. Window in there. Obviously still got to put the ceiling, but it's all finished off up the top. We've got a block wall in here separating the sort of workshop and the house. And then we've got our joist in here. Insulation in the ceiling. So this wall here is done out of wooden stud, and normally the outer walls we do with the metal stud. Now, why do we use the metal stuff in France? Because wintertime we can get -10, -15, and summertime we can get 40 degrees. So obviously that's a lot of movement and can cause little cracks. Whereas the metal stuff moves a lot more than the wooden stud. So obviously it's got a bit more movement to stop anything moving and cracking. So that's why we use the metal stuff. But in this scenario, we have used wooden stud because it's semi-structural. Because as you can see, we've got our uprights here. We've got some joist in here sitting on the wall, and then above the joist will be our insulation, and then we have our plasterboard sitting on there. So got the bedroom here, doorway there. This is all our lounge area. It'd be open plan towards the kitchen area. I don't know if that worked or not. And then, as I said, you're going to have a corridor here, and then the other side is going to be the bathroom. That's the layout for the shower, all be one level. And then in here, I think they're starting on it tomorrow. All this is coming out. We're going to have a window there in that X in there, a little block wall, and then the new front door, which is going there. So that's this week's update. Things are going to start obviously looking like they're taking shape now, because as soon as you get on the plasterboard, you know, even just 3 or 4 sheets going up in a morning could make a big difference. So yeah, so make sure you keep on hitting that subscribe, liking those videos, and yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.